All right, new renovation project. One bed, one bath. Demoed all the cabinets. Gonna turn this into an island with a hood that's gonna hang down. Scrape the ceilings. Everything's on the carpet now. I'm getting ready to roll up the carpet. Putting a new heater in. I'm gonna put new windows in. But check it out. There's your ocean view. You can hear the waves. Seagulls. It's lovely. Bathroom's getting renovated. Right now we're working on electrical, putting lighting in, relocating some things. Getting after it. This is the bedroom with a closet. Just getting done putting the lighting. Next step is getting all these holes patched and retexturing everything. Building this wall for the island. After that is paint. After that is cabinets. After that is flooring and trim. And we'll have ourselves a brand new 1-bedroom, 1-bath condo with an ocean view.